If your toilet feels wobbly or you notice corroded bolts holding it down, fixing those rusty floor bolts with stainless steel ones is a game changer for bathroom stability. So, first off, make sure you turn off the water supply to the toilet and flush it to empty the tank and bowl as much as possible. Next, grab a wrench and carefully remove the old corroded bolts. These are usually on each side of the toilet base. If they're super stuck or broken, a little penetrating oil and patience will help loosen them up. Once they're out, clean up any rust or debris from the floor flange area so your new bolts sit nice and flat. When you put in the new stainless steel bolts and washers, tighten them just enough to hold the toilet firmly without cracking the porcelain. Too tight is a big no-no. After that, reconnect the water supply, turn it back on, and check for any leaks around the base. If it still wiggles a bit, double check your bolts and maybe swap in thicker washers for a snug fit. This simple swap not only stops leaks, but also prevents future rusting, saving you from big headaches down the line. One of the biggest mistakes people make with fixing toilet bolts is over-tightening them, which can crack the porcelain base. Always go slow and steady when tightening. Another common issue is not replacing both bolts and washers. If you only swap one part, the other corroded piece can cause leaks or wobbling again fast. Lastly, ignoring the flange condition is a trap. If the flange is damaged or rusted, new bolts won't fix the problem completely. Sometimes a flange repair kit or replacement flange is needed for a solid fix. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking up homeowners with trustworthy local contractors who can tackle bathroom repairs like these without any hassle. Plus, it's a solid platform for contractors looking to connect with people needing real work done in their area.